What's up, everybody? It's Tia. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing my curly hair routine with y'all. So my hair is pre-pooed with oil. I have an oil mixture on it that I combed, I detangled, and I'm about to shampoo, deep condition, and then after I deep condition, I am going to regular condition and style. So let's go. Okay, we going. Okay guys, so I start off by wetting my hair, and then we're gonna go in with Whole Blends Ginger Recovery line. So I've used a plethora of the Whole Blends line, different variations, but this is my first time trying the Ginger Recovery line, and it was amazing. I highly recommend. Whole Blends runs about $3.50 no matter where you purchase it from, and I feel like it's worth way more. The shampoo did not strip my hair at all. It actually felt moisturized post shampoo, and it also looked moisturized, so highly recommend. After my shampoo, I am going to go in with my deep conditioner. Shea Moisture, it is a staple for me. Y'all have seen it in my previous uploads. I will just be applying it very liberally, getting all the nooks and crannies, getting underneath, in the middle, my roots, my ends, all of that good stuff. I find that the Manuka honey in particular is my favorite, and I think my hair responds the best with that particular deep conditioner from them. So yeah, I'm gonna put my shower cap on, and I'm gonna leave it on for an hour. So this is an hour later. Product still in. I'm about to rinse it out, and my hair looks bomb already. I could skip the final condition, but I'm gonna do it just because that's my process and I like to do that. And my curls were even more Poppington after my shower, and boom, here we go. I mean, curls just juicy, just fine. So we're gonna move on to the next portion. All right guys, so I'm back and I'm about to style my hair. I will be using Cantu's Avocado oil and Shea butter line. Y'all, my hair loves this stuff. It does. Like every time I use it, my mom will be like, girl, what you used on your hair? And I'll be like, I use Cantu. So I'm gonna section my hair off first. And y'all know what's crazy? When I first went natural, Cantu was a go-to product for me, and then my hair stopped responding well to it and I moved along from it. But I just happened to pick this line up at the neighborhood Walmart, you know, one grocery shopping trip, and baby, my hair loves it. So I start with the cream, the curl activator, hydrating curl activator. It defines and softens, excuse me, for frizz-free curls. It's silicone-free, also free from paraffins, parabens, Philippians and Corinthians. It's free, baby. Just know that. I don't know how to pronounce all that. It's free. So I'm gonna put some. I use a lot of product, y'all, because my hair is thick and coarse, and I'm gonna just apply it like so, like that. I guess you can say I smooth first and then I rake. That has been my technique, I guess you could say, since I've been natural. My hair doesn't really respond well to like combs. Using combs and dimming brushes in my application process, it just doesn't. I don't know if I haven't found the right technique in using a comb or using a dimming brush when I style, but it's a no for me, dog. And honestly, if I wasn't filming, y'all, I'm telling you, if I wasn't filming, I'd be doing this like more messily. I wouldn't really be working in sections like this. But I'm gonna do right. And I'm probably gonna have a bomb wash and go for this reason. So right now I'm uploading a vlog from Austin, Texas. I went with 3 friends from high school. One of them, I've known her since middle school. And the other 2 I met in the 9th and 10th grade. And one friend bought another friend of hers. And everybody was cool. We had a good time. And I hope y'all enjoy it. We had fun. We were pretty lit. And I wasn't gonna vlog at first, but my friends Charcy and Armandi were like enthusiastic about it, so I went ahead and went with it. And it came together. It came together good. So I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, all of that. Please. Please. Okay. So this is what we looking like. My texture right up in here is a little different. So if you see me pulling apart, that's why. But this is, you know, with the curl, the hydrating curl activator on it. I could probably use my spray bottle, but it's not near me. So I'ma just struggle. Okay. Now I'm moving on to adding the gel. It's also free of all the things that the what you call this, that the curl activator is free of. Oops. So this is the consistency. I kind of want to say it's lighter than Eco Styler. I think that's safe to say. It's lighter than Eco Styler. And I just moved and rake. Praying hands. And I air dry, so y'all probably gonna see me tomorrow or later tonight. Then I scrunch a little bit. It's weird, my hair is actually like even more detangled with the use of the gel. You see, I don't have to break my roots up anymore. So, yeah. This is what we looking like, and I'm gonna repeat the process all over. Comment below. Let me know what products are y'all using for your curly hair routine in 2021. Are you holding on to your OG products, or what's something new that you've come across? I've actually been curious about trying both Taraji and Tracy Ellis Ross's lines. The only thing that has kind of detoured me is the price, because I'm like, baby, oh baby, it's a little pricey. If you try either one of those, leave me a comment and tell me about your experience, and if you think it's worthwhile. Okay. So you might see like a little product, you know, the white cast, but that's okay. It's okay, trust the plus. It's gonna come out good. It's gonna come out good, yeah. All right, guys, so this is my hair after the full application of product. And I'm gonna just let it air dry and come back on camera so y'all can see me in all of my glory. Okay. All right, I'll be back, y'all. All right, guys, so this is the final result. My hair is like, I'm gonna say 9, it's probably 100% dry. I had to sit under the dryer because it's actually cold, or really cool here in Louisiana for a change. So I didn't want, and I'm leaving out the house and I don't want to get sick. So this is the final result. No product residue. Just a whirl of curls. And it should last me about a week, but of course it's gonna be bigger and not as defined, but that's like how I like it. So I don't really refresh it, I just do it again the next week. So yes, that's it. I have a guest who is gonna come on. Come on.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Harmony.
This is my beautiful goddaughter, Harmony. How old are you?
I'm 10.
She's 10 and she's the bomb.com. She can dance, period. She can dance, she can sing, she can do anything, okay? So we're gonna have a fun weekend together. We're going shopping, might go to the zoo. We're just gonna figure it out. We're gonna have a movie night. But yes, that's it. That's it. And thank y'all for watching.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Yes. What else they need to do?
Like and share this video.
And leave me a what?
A notification.
Leave me a what?
A ding.
Leave me a comment. All right, one more twirl.